Boys, what's the deal, baby? You know what it is. We're back at it again with another video. Come on now. Today, these things are probably going in my car. I say probably because I have a slight time constraint. We got a couple problems right off the bat though, which is just fantastic. I have to go find a 2.2 ohm resistor. Don't even know what that means. And then I gotta go get another like nut for my seatbelt to stay in my car, which I would very much enjoy because I don't want to fly out my dash if I get in a crash. So first stop is good old O'Reilly's. It's cool because all my neighbors can hear me doing this. So let's try it one more time just for good measure. O'Reilly's. Hey yo, that was hype. That was hype. That's hot. That's hot. All right, seat number 1, seat number 2, bracket number 1, driver's and the passenger side. So yeah, we got a lot of parts. I'm not exactly totally sure how this is actually gonna fit into my car. Hopefully they do. I actually really don't know how I'm gonna do that. Unlucky, unlucky. Hey, where you going? Where you going? What? Ooh. I'm on Mr. Unlimited mode, baby. I got a comment last video saying you guys were mad that you guys didn't get a cold start. Your boy's gonna deliver today, baby. Come on now. Yeah, boy. I bet you heard that blow-off valve too. Speaking of blow-off valves, I totally forgot to mention this. So I got that from Throttle. I have a link, baby. I have a link that might get you a discount code if you look hard enough. The link is in the description for that part, and your boy's got a little discount for you. Don't even worry about it. Thank me later. Now that I've had the blow-off valve for like a day or two, I figured out how to make it sound how I want to make it sound, like based off throttle input. So I've got like this nice flutter down, and it's just like, it just sounds mint, dude. Oh, he's under the car, baby. All right, we made it to Wafer's house. Your boy, unlucky.
I feel like I should be filming. I don't like this.
Maybe. So we're gonna take all this stuff out and get moving because your boy's got a car wash appointment.
That's today?
Yeah, it's today at 5, which is why I was like, what time are you off at? Unlucky. Say it really loudly.
Lucky.
No.
Lucky.
Very loud.
Unlucky?
Yeah, but like high.
I don't want to. I don't want to.
Why not? I'm really excited just to get these things in, and like, I guess if anybody also wants my stock seats, DM me at Griffin Blanchard, because I'm literally, this is gonna sound like so bad, but I'm just gonna throw them away. Like,
wow.
Nobody wants these things, dude. You guys want like my food stained seats? Sure. There's a passenger and a driver side mount, bracket, slider, whatever they are. Sneak peek from UPS. They were kind enough to say, hey, like, this guy's got a YouTube channel, like, let's definitely like open the package just a little bit, just to like give them a little sneak peek when they like run by. So when you dump it out, also there's like a couple ways to open this. That's not one of them. Boys, welcome back to No Confidence in the Garage with Cameron Alford. Do you know who that is, by the way?
No clue.
Cool, yeah. I guess his whole motto is like confidence in the garage, like building confidence in the garage.
Oh, wow.
And the whole time, the last time I was just like, no confidence in the garage. So like, slight diss to Cameron Alford, but like, also, let's collab. Am I tightening this right now?
Huh?
I am tightening this. No, I'm not.
Oh, yeah. Wait. I can't tell. No, that's tightening, yeah.
I am tightening, cool. So I'm just stripping my battery out. Unlucky. Unlucky. I'm gonna make that a thing. That's gonna be a thing.
Is that your thing?
That's gonna be a thing.
Since confidence is taken.
Since confidence in the garage is taken, my holding is gonna be unlucky in the garage.
All right.
Is this actually supposed to come all the way off?
No, no, no.
This is really honestly shows you how much I know about cars. Like almost nothing. All right, we got the wrong size Torx bit, baby. Let's get it. Oh shit. Maybe not the best idea. Dude, these things are actually like surprisingly heavy.
Yeah?
Yeah, dude, get out. This has to go be plugged back in. Oh, ow. Oh, I hope that I don't have to do this, but it looks like I do.
What do you gotta do?
Take off all these wires, right? Sometimes it's all just about attacking it from the top down. That sounds like a good thing to say, right?
I think so.
Attacking it from the top down.
Yep.
I make so much money from YouTube, it's unreal, by the way. I hope everybody knows that. I'm richer than all of you. Are you kidding me? How do you think I afford these planted seat brackets, dude? So rich. Well, I'll tell you what. It fits, baby. It fits. Planted with the actual brackets that work. I'm used to things not working, so like, this is like fantastically. This is going swimmingly, to be honest with you.
Ooh,
You know what I like to do? I like to just make sure that they're all torqued in, so I don't go all the way down on the first bolt. I like to do it just like I do my wheels. I go in diagonal crosses. I don't want anything to go wrong right now, so I'm just gonna do this as fast as I absolutely can. Come on, Cameron Alford, where you at, baby? This is such a weird feeling, like having no seats in the car. Like, this is so weird. I always wanted seats in my car, like always. Like, I always thought that was the coolest thing. Like, I thought if you had seats, like you were like, that was it, dude. Like, that was like the whole thing, you know?
ready to race.
Yeah, it's gonna be disappointing though. It's gonna be like, what type of turbo you got? Stock. Unlucky. If anyone wants to gift me like an S280 or a 2860, X58 Evo, X37, X47R, let me know, baby. I'll take it. All right, boys. So they're the seats, or no? What am I doing here? The seat brackets came with no hardware because I didn't order seat brackets. I ordered mounting brackets, not the actual seat brackets. So I have no hardware. So me and Ryan are taking the damn Subaru, and I'll show you where I'm sitting. I'm getting a special seat today. So I'm getting the back seat because Waifu went camping recently and had a little bit too much fun and ended up not cleaning up the car yet. So I am getting the Uber driver ride. All right, so we just got back from Home Depot and got a slight issue here because look at this, baby. The bolt that we got does not want to come through these holes at all. My guess and his guess is that they use like metric and we're not using metric. I don't know if it even matters, but either way, the bolts don't fit. So I think we're gonna have to just grind this out just a little bit, right? It's all about confidence in the garage, and once you just add too much torque, at some point you got to dial it back a little bit. We've been adding a lot of torque today, so we're gonna dial it back. We're gonna probably do about 48 newton meters of torque, so it's okay. Send it.
Oh, wait. We should probably do this one.
Send it.
Too much torque.
Oh, you are actually torquing yourself out the moon. That was incredible. That was sketchy, dude. Dang.
Bosch tools. Oh yeah. We're making. Oh, this is awful. This is sandpaper on metal. What am I doing?
No.
I hate that this is gonna be on the internet.
Is this gonna be a no-go?
Oh, I like that.
See it saving. I like that.
Oh, yeah.
That is actually quite incredible.
Wow.
I'll be honest, because look at that. And it looks better than it did before.
All right, there
And
we
look
go.
at that. Okay?
I should probably move it on the grip.
Dude, that's not fun. Look at that.
Wow, quality work.
Wow.
Quality.
Fantastic. All right, I don't really care what it looks like though, as long as it's going in, that's all that I care about right now, because you boys stressed out. All right, guys, seats in. Oh, dude, it's so sick. Matt. Oh, yeah, it's in, dude. We just don't have the right hardware. It's not happening. We already tried to drill the bracket, and it's still not working. It's not worth it, so stock seat's going back in. This is one of the biggest L's I've taken so far to date, just in general. What do you gotta say?
$20 in hardware. What, like an hour, 2 hours?
Yeah, something like
3
that.
hours?
3?
Oh,
About
two.
3. 2.
Two.
It sucks that we had to drill the brackets because now they just look ugly. It won't matter because they're gonna be under the car, but like.
We'll hit it with some paint.
You think so? You'll hit it with some paint? Okay. Well, it was some paint. Stock seat's going back in. This is one of the more disappointing things I've ever had to do in my life, and it's no one's fault but my own because I didn't order hardware. I'll tell you what, it's not like this. This is the reality, boys. This is how it is, dude. When you fucking decide to modify your car, sometimes just you spend a lot of money and you take big ol' L's. Because honestly, I don't even know if I'm gonna fit in that seat, so. All right, let's go find some bolts, dude. Obviously, yesterday that was extremely frustrating. That kind of sucked, but it's a new day today. I got some bolts that are at a shop that should work, so we're gonna go get them really quick. Also, I got my car detailed yesterday by Astro Auto Spa San Diego on Instagram. I'll tag him somewhere in here. He did a waterless wash, and he absolutely killed it, by the way. So if you guys are in San Diego and need a good car wash, definitely hit him up. You guys see that, baby? I got the bolts, and they fit so good, Maurice. Oh, dude, this is how they're supposed to fit. They just slide right in. Good, dude, because thank God I might get these seats in today. Also, to all the boys that joined the live stream last night, that was pretty sick. I enjoyed that. I think I might do that a little bit more often just because it's cool to like talk in real time with you guys. Yeah, also, go follow my Instagram because I'm gonna live stream there too more than YouTube because YouTube's kind of weird about live streaming, I guess, for some reason. So just check out my Instagram. I'll link it like somewhere on the screen. I don't know. Let's get this shit done, baby. Okay, boys, so here's the fucking deal right now. There's so much that just went on. Basically what happened was these things right here that you can barely see, NRG, these little brackets, they were flipped. So your boy was sitting like 19 inches closer than he was supposed to be. Super uncomfortable. I'm sweating balls, by the way. Now, me and Ryan just flipped them and we got test fitted. So this is the position that I'm gonna be in. I'm good, dude. Like, I'm okay. Like, there is more than enough room. I was so worried about like the ergonomics being messed up. Like, when we had it in last time, I was like, I couldn't shift into like any gear because my elbow was like hitting the armrest. But now, your boy's got ample room, dude. I'm like actually so excited about this. Like, my whole entire mood just like switched in a 180, dude. I was really kind of stressing out there, but now like this fucks. Honestly, this fucks, dude. I don't care what anybody says. If it's like, oh, you got the energy like Prismas, like, dude, like I fucking give a fuck, dude. This is dope as shit. This is what I wanted as a kid, dude.
NRG seats.
Probably not NRG. Wow. Okay, let's get these like
bolted in.
Bolted in, I guess. Yeah. Oh fuck, dude. Cue the music in 3, 2, 1. Dude, oh my fucking gosh, dude. Like, I'm so happy with this. If I was like 10 years old and I looked inside this car, I'd be freaking out, dude. I'd be like, oh my god, this guy has like race seats, like no way. So Ryan almost has this first seat in. We kind of both tag teamed this one a little bit, but he's like doing the final touches because I'm trying to get the second one in because we're on a time crunch. But this, I'm just torquing it down real quick. We got the brackets in and everything is working like absolutely perfectly. Seatbelts installed. We're getting this done, baby. What do you think, buddy?
We're getting what done? We're getting this done?
Ooh, you did a personal bleep. I didn't have to do any editing on that. All right, boys. So Ryan and I just got done tightening down the seat. Mostly Ryan though, because you boys doing stuff on the other side. Get this done. We're about to take a test seat. Test seat? I don't know. But I'm just excited in general to have this in the car. So let's go ahead and enjoy this. Sheesh, baby. Oh, it's tight too. It's good, dude. Dude, it's actually perfect.
Yeah.
This is like, I honestly couldn't ask for a better position in general. Like, I can still kind of see over like the dash, which is perfect. I think my wheel's as low as it can go. I want it out like this. I'm not hitting my arm on the thing. Like, people were saying the ergonomics just gets taken away completely, dude. F off. Absolutely not. This is perfectly fine.
Let's see the seatbelt.
Oh yeah. Okay, so I might slide under if I get in a crash.
Okay.
This is why we need harnesses. I will get those, no big deal. But dude, overall, I mean, I look like a fool with this on for sure. Like, this looks super weird, right? Like, I look like I didn't do the full thing.
Yeah, it looks like you're trying to go fast.
But I'm not going fast.
But you're not going fast.
Okay. Well, we're good. Let's get the other seat in. All right, boys, are you ready for the final product? Look at this, dude. It looks so sick. Oh my god. That is so legit, dude. The
Car feels smaller.
Yeah, dude. This is so sick. It's literally, it's perfect. I mean, it's everything that I thought it was gonna be plus some. This feels so legit, dude. It just feels like how it was supposed, like, why would you want Recaros? Like, aren't these kind of comfortable too? No, I mean like the factory Recaros. Like these are sick. Like,
yeah, I'll take these. Well, I guess they're heated.
Yeah, but
Extra weight though.
Weighs too much. What do you think when you sat in it? Was it comfortable?
Yeah, it was nice.
It's not bad, right?
It's very low, but if like they're my own, like if it was my own car, you know, I'd have it. I'd be comfortable for sure.
Yeah. Anyways, 10 out of 10. We're gonna go on a drive really quick, or at least I don't know. Do you want to come and see what it feels like?
I'm just gonna.
I guess we're taking the seats for a drive. Like I don't know what to say really, but I just want to make sure they don't feel like complete crap, like over bumps, which I'm sure they are because they're definitely less padded than the stock seats. But who cares, dude? Do you feel the difference, Ryan?
Oh yeah, it feels way faster.
It feels a lot faster already, I can tell.
Sussing them out.
That feels great, dude.
Yeah, I'm like,
Are you moving at all? I'm not moving.
and with harnesses too.
Oh, it's over with harnesses. Well, boys, thank you so much for watching. The seats are insane, in my opinion. I really like the way they look over anything. But I will catch you on the next one. Peace. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, motherfucker.